Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, dropping another video today, and yes, I have another case from Herbal Army Gear, UAG. Don't adjust your screens, that is a blue case. This is actually a Plyo edition, series, whatever you want to call it. I'm going to get into this review, but if you want to pick this case up for your Galaxy S9 or even your S9 Plus, which this one is, you can definitely do so. I will have a link in the description. Shout out to them for always bringing the presentation, and then they also have some of the best cases out there. But let's get into this review really quick. Drive tested, approved. It says Plyo Essential Protection. Then on the back it has some 1 and 2 little key points. If you want to pause that, you can definitely pause it. But man, look at the presentation, is great, isn't it? Man, besides the blue case, look at that blue case. I'm excited to get this out. Let's get this thing out really quick. Put this all on the side or throw it on the floor, either one. But look at that blue color. Look at that blue color. Man, that's a winner right there. Just take a minute, pause. Okay, there you go. Look at that color. But let's go over the case itself. You have a little ridge button here for your power. Nice and ridged so you can feel it, find where it's at. Same thing, volume rockers, your ridge Bixby button if you actually use it. You have your little grips. Look at that little honeycomb action right there. Look at the corners too. So you drop it, you hit that corner, you don't have to worry about it. Your cutouts look good, nice. Man, we're going to see that. Then also at the top, you have another cutout. Bam, there you go. All right, so let's see how this bad boy works. Put this in here. Man, look at that. So first two things I always check out. The lip action on the front, you can put it down there. You don't have to worry about it at all. You can see it's raised up. Then also the camera hump. Look at that camera hump. Again, you drop it. You don't have to worry about messing up that dual aperture lens right there. So let's go over the cutouts too. Cutouts look great. Look at that. Perfect cutouts. I mean, the cutouts mean everything on the case. If they don't line up, they crooked or anything, makes the case not work well. But look at that. It looks good. Then also on the top, look at that cutout. Looks good. Also, if the buttons don't work, you know, look at that. It works. Easy to find the fingerprint. Kind of guides your finger there. The volume rockers work. If I press that one, look. You hear it? You hear the click? Man, that works great. So everything lines up. The buttons are perfect. The camera hump is good. Look at, man, just look. Take a minute. So if you want to pick this case up, it comes in like 4 different colors. I will have the link in the description. That way you can go ahead and pick this case up for your Galaxy S9 or S9 Plus. This is the Plus one, but you know, man, definitely a great case. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Again, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. And until next time, peace. Y'all have a great day. Enjoy the rest of your day.